Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this device. To get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and you should see a battery saver toggle somewhere here. For me, it is literally the last toggle, so once you see it, simply press on it. And that's about it. Now visually there is almost no difference, so there's probably things happening in the background, like the device might disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's not being used, and therefore you might have a delay or just no delivery of notifications from applications that require internet connection. And those applications would be apps like Netflix, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. Now anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and there we go, it is now turned off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.